Life's hectic, y'all, but keto does not have to be. These are make-ahead friendly enchiladas that are keto and have absolutely no tortillas. If my hair is in a curler and I got no makeup on, you already know that this recipe is going to be easy because this is going to be my no stress keto dinner. This is real life keto, you guys, nothing fancy. I got some pre-made enchilada sauce, very simple ingredients, and your dinner's gonna be done. So instead of using tortillas today, I am going to be using cabbage leaves. You're just gonna place them in simmering water for a few minutes until they're softened. You want them bendy and not falling apart. The little stem on the end, if it's hard, you can always remove that so that it's easier to roll up. So I'm keeping it super simple today with my ingredients. I just browned up some ground beef and seasoned it to taste. And I am adding black olives because I love them, but you do not have to. You could totally make this dish your own and put whatever ingredients you want inside. You're going to roll up your ingredients inside your cabbage leaf and place it open side down inside of your baking dish. This is one of those meals that does not have to look pretty to taste amazing. Now for the sauce, you can totally make your own, but today I am going to use pre-made because life is busy. All right, now for the cheese. I used a Mexican style blend on the inside, but I do want a little bit of spice, so I'm going to add some more Mexican blend on top and some pepper jack cheese. All right, that's it. You're just gonna top it with your cheese, and if you have any leftover filling, you can throw it right on top and bake it at 375 until all that cheese is melty and bubbly. I just took these out of the oven. I baked them for 25 minutes and now they're cooling off and we're gonna get ready to do a taste test. Yum. Look at that cheese, you guys. Oh my goodness. All right. So we're gonna eat this cheese is what we're gonna do. All right, so I am going to spoon some of this sauce over my enchiladas. This recipe makes an awesome meal prep, and honestly, you're not even gonna miss the tortillas. Oh my God. They're delicious. They're so good. I love them. This is the epitome of keto comfort food. If your life feels hectic right now, do yourself a favor and save this video. If you like easy, real-life keto recipes, make sure you're subscribed because we keep it simple around here. So for the browned up some bowl. So you are going to roll up your cabbage leaf and you're going to roll up your just lick the counter.